Meta ads are the fastest way to grow your brand. Hire a few influencers, cover a few concepts and experiment with them until you find the winning creative. The only problem is that it can cost you thousands of dollars, and by the time you find the winning creatives, you're already out of the budget from paying influencers. But what if I told you there is a better way? You can create winning UGC ads for less than $7 per ad. Create your own influencer or select from hundreds of pre-built ones, experiment with different hooks and settings, find the winning creatives and double down on them. Maybe even hire a real influencer to remake that specific ad if you want. But paying a bunch of influencers without knowing what works is the problem, and Ad Studio solves it. A few days ago I tested Film Studio in here and it blew me away. So today I'm testing the ad side. Ad Studio. 3 different ads start to finish. And the World Cup's on right now, so expect a little football flavor. But the real test today is the tour. Let's go! So how do you actually begin? It's simple. First head over to ImagineArt's, then on the left side click Ad Studio and a brand new page opens up. That's your home base for everything. Let me give you a quick tour. On the left there are 3 fast ways to start an ad. URL to ad takes a product link and builds an ad straight from it. Motion design turns a product into a full storyboard. And ad reference lets you drop in a viral ad you like, then spins up your own version with the same energy. But the part we'll use today sits right at the bottom. There's one simple bar where you describe your ad, next to it you drop in your product and your avatar, then choose the style, the hook and the scene. Happy with it? Hit create. That's the whole control panel, nothing scary. And here's the idea behind it all. No film crew, no studio, you bring a product, make a few choices and Ad Studio builds the ad from idea to finished video in about a minute. That's a real win. When the ad takes a minute we can test 10 versions, see which one actually grabs people and spend money only on the winner. That's the whole game. Let me show you. Same tool, 3 totally different ads. First one, football boots. I want this to feel like a real player showing off gear he loves. So I use the Pro Virtual Try-On format with Marco as my avatar, a gym for the scene and the slap hook for a punchy open. And here's the benefit, I can put the boots on a real person in seconds with no photo shoot and no model. Here's the prompt.
Not gonna lie, these are my new favorite boots. The fit is perfect, the grip is unreal, and they just feel fast. I've been training in them all week, and I'm not taking them off.
Let's see, for a try-on, that's exactly it. The boots looks on, no pasted on, and Marco feels like a guy who actually plays. And the best part, I could swap him for 10 other avatars in minutes to see who it sells best. Second one, Pulse Fuel, a vitamin drink. I switched to the UGC-style for that real talking to camera feel with the interview hook, so it opens like a quick question on the spot. The avatar is Sofia in a roaring arena for that big game energy. And the benefit here is huge. This look like a real creator made it, so I can spin up a whole batch of these, find the one that converts and run with it.
Honestly, when it goes to extra time and everyone's fading, that's when I'm just getting started. Pulse Fuel. Real vitamins, real energy. This is what keeps me in the game. Don't play without it.
Yes, that's UGC done right. It feels like a real person, not an actor, and the arena gives it that adrenaline. This is the kind of ad you actually stop scrolling for. Last one, the new matchday jersey of my favorite team. Still UGC but a totally different vibe. The flip the camera hook, Valentina as my avatar, up on the roof of a moving truck. Pure hype fan energy. And this is influencer style content without hiring an influencer. Here's the prompt.
Okay, I'm obsessed with this. The new kit just dropped and I had to wear it today. Look at these colors. This is my team, this is my year. Portugal, let's go.
Oh, that's pure fan energy. The camera flip adds movement, it feels caught in the moment and nobody would guess it wasn't filmed for real. 3 ads, 3 completely different vibes, same tool. So on a stake, 3 completely different ads, a try-on, an interview and a hyped fan. 3 different avatars, different hooks, different scenes, and I didn't touch a camera once. But here's why this actually matters. You are not betting everything on one ad anymore. You can make tons of versions cheap and fast, find the one that's winning and spend only on what's working. That's the dream for any brand. No agency, no film crew, no big budget, idea to add in about a minute. And whether you are a small brand or a solo creator, you can put out ads that look like an agency made them. Is it perfect? No tool is. But for speed, for ideas, and for finding what actually converts, this is a game changer. The link's below so you can try it yourself. Tell me in the comments what product should I turn into an ad next. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.